See, I like the taste of the onions in it. It's really, really nice. And you can take fresh pasta in it, and garlic powder. It is a perfect dish for you to try out. Hey guys, assalamualaikum, it's Jenna G. That's me, the Hijab from TNT, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a very easy and a delicious pasta salad with shredded chicken. Now you can eat this as a meal on the whole because I'm going to be including some vegetables in it, or you can have it as a side dish. It's all up to you, but it's a very easy dish and I think it's just absolutely delicious, and I am certain that you will enjoy it. So basically what you're going to be doing to start off is just put the pasta to boil. I'm not adding any salt at this point because I will be adding some MSG-free all-purpose, which already has some salt in it. So I'm going to do that. And normally what you could do at this point in time too is put the chicken to boil to save on some time. But I already had it boiled beforehand. Alright, so while my pasta is boiling, seeing that I already have my chicken boiled, I'm going to just be putting it into a food processor, just breaking it into pieces, taking the bone out from it, just gonna add it to the food processor. I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning to it, and all you want to do is just pulse it a few times until it's shredded into pieces. Right, so that is what it looks like, and that's what we're going to be adding to the pasta salad. I'm going to set this aside, and then we're going to prepare the onions and the parsley. So what I'm going to be doing is just adding the parsley to the food processor. Now for this dish, I like to add a lot of the fresh parsley. So how much is this really? Probably like a cup, or 3/4 of a cup, but I'll before it's crushed up. I'm just going to remove some of the stem, and I'm also going to add a piece of this red onion. Now this, you can adjust it according to your likes. Like I love to taste the onion in the pasta salad, and I love the fresh parsley in it. So this is just a little piece of one of the large red onions, and you just want to pulse this as well just to get it smaller. Right, and this is what it looks like, and this is what we're going to be adding to the pasta and the chicken. We're just going to combine everything, and now the easiest part is just combining everything. So I have my mixed vegetables. I'm adding to my cooked pasta. I'm adding in my shredded chicken. In goes my chopped parsley and onions. I'm going to add some garlic powder, and I am adding some of the MSG-free all-purpose seasoning. Toss it all together. Now you can do one of two things for the next step. You can simply add some olive oil to it, or you can add some light mayo, like what I am going to be doing. And for this one, I am throwing in some olive oil as well. Now this is served best when it's chilled. So we're going to put it in the refrigerator, and by the time dinner time, we're ready to eat dinner. And by the time we're ready to eat dinner, this will be ready to be eaten. Now before we put this in the refrigerator, just to spice it up a little bit, because I enjoy my spice, I'm going to be adding a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. Now just mix it up, just to add some spice to it. Alright, so we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill, and we'll give it a taste in a little while. This is what it looks like, finished product. A pasta salad with shredded chicken, and it's an amazing side dish, or even a main dish if you don't feel like making anything else with it. But it's packed with flavor, and I'm very certain that you will enjoy it. And that is how easy it is to put together a delicious pasta salad with shredded chicken. Now you can use any pasta. You can use whole grain pasta if you like. You can use elbows, penne pasta. You can feel free and use whichever one you prefer to use. Something to note as well, the red onions. Not many people like the onion taste when it remains in a pasta salad for too long. So you can adjust. You can use less if you want, and you can eliminate the chili flakes if you don't want to add any sort of spice to it. You can also eliminate the mayo. You can choose if you wanted to have a more healthy pasta salad, eliminate the mayo. Although it was a light mayo we used today, you can just use the olive oil alone, your all-purpose seasoning. You can even throw in some paprika in it as well. But this is one of those dishes that's super easy to make, and it's a great side dish, or you can even use it as a main dish because there's chicken in it, there's vegetables in it. You can also add any vegetable you want. I just chose the tin vegetables today because it was easier to get my hands on. Just remember, wash it out properly to get rid of any sodium that might have in it, any extra sodium. You don't want to be adding that to your dish. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you give it a try out. I know you would enjoy it quite a lot. So let me know what you think, and be sure to share the video with all your friends and your family. Give the video a big thumbs up if you did like it. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notifications every time I post a video, and you will not be left out. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Love it, love it.